Melanie Tucker, owner of Rare Finds Travel, and this is day one of our Kickoff to Summer 2019. We have 10 ideas for mini vacations that are easy for you to pull off this summer. So we're going to get the ball rolling with PEI, that's Prince Edward Island. It's in the eastern province of Canada, and it's famous for its oysters, its mussel farms, and its lobster pound. It's also famous for the book Anne of Green Gables, and right down the north coast from Green Gables is my favorite place to stay. It's called Bay by the beach, and it's a big old Victorian beach barn that's on a long stretch of red sand beach. Now when you've had enough beach, rent a bike and pedal the Confederation Trail. It's miles and miles of paved, car-free bike trail, and then right over the bridge is New Brunswick. It's the Bay of Fundy with the highest tides in the world. You can get a kayak and paddle the sea stacks at low tide. So have I tempted you? What's your favorite? Write in the comments below. Do you like the seafood, the biking, or the cool summer temperatures?